ऐसा बच्चा होने से तो बेटर है कि या तो नहीं होता या फिर आई ओनली आई गेव अप टोटली. आई यूज टू बी सो स्कैरी. आई ऑलवेज यूज टू फील सो fearful even to ask for even a little thing from my father-in-law or talk to my grandmother-in-law. So many health issues. I even started having low BP. I had started having palpitations, anxiety issues, so much of panic.
Welcome once again to another Rise to Fame interview with a beautiful energy queen, Noori. Right? So, Noori has got some amazing wins in her relationship and which she would love to share it with everybody so that each one of us are enlightened to live a happy, healthy, harmonious relationship. So, without wasting too much of time, Noori, over to you. Just introduce yourself and if you could talk about your journey from before to after joining the Energy Queens.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So I'm Noori Agarwal and I'm from Hyderabad. And earlier I was a home baker. And after joining Energy Queens Hub in August 2025, I was a very confused mother and I was kind of a victim. And I have a son who's 7 years old. And with him, my relationship was very tough and very
Okay.
strained. And also like with my in-laws as well. I'm in a joint family, so I'm from a Marwari background. So there also, there were so many challenges with the family itself. Coming from the Punjabi side, coming into a Marwari family, whole new setup and everything. Challenges were lots were there. But after joining the community, the main sole reason for which I joined the community was to mend my relationship with my son. So first thing, being in a Marwari family, I already told. So I always used to focus on my work. I never paid attention to him. Even after his birth, like my prime focus should have been on my son, which I didn't. I prioritized my work, my family, like other things that I need to finish. So because of that, he started throwing tantrums. He needed my attention, which I did not give him. And then I only used to cry that i I just can't, I can't handle this. My son
Mhm.
is like that, he's only like this. I always just to blame it on him rather than keeping it to myself, that realizing that it was my mistake. That started giving me so many health issues. I even started having low BP. I had started having palpitations, anxiety issues, so much of panic. Like every time I used to deal with him, I used to get afraid, oh my god, it's off today, or maybe I'll have to be with him. Oh my god, it used to put a lot of pressure on me. That
Hmm.
kind of
Totally
challenges I
understandable. So you're saying that you are a homemaker. So are you into some work that used to leave him and go? And is it like that also?
So it was always like, ma'am, in our home, cooking part, we only have to handle. Rest, all the health we have, domestic health. So cooking is from day to till the night. We only have to,
Okay. So
stand and
that kind of
serve and cook everything. Always busy in the kitchen.
okay. Got it.
Somebody coming, guests coming in every time, every now and then. So like that. All time my focus used to be on the household work rather than
Okay.
paying attention to my son. But so much so, like I was so much strained that I even sometimes at the end, towards the end, like I started getting suicidal tendencies. Literally, that ऐसा बच्चा होने से तो बेटर है कि या तो नहीं होता या फिर आई ओनली आई गेव अप टोटली बिफोर मीटिंग यू ऑफ कोर्स. And you came as an angel in my life. Trust me, ma'am. After joining this community, my whole mindset has shifted, like 180-degree shift has taken. And I have started realizing where I was going wrong through the practices of Ho'oponopono. Like it's truly magical, as you always say. It's truly
Mm.
magical. It has brought in so much of realization into me that where I was going wrong, that I need to take the ownership. So
Mm.
that has changed my outlook towards my son. It
Nice.
has made our relationship more harmonious. In terms of dealing with my in-laws, I used to be so scary. I always used to feel so fearful, even to ask for even a little thing from my father-in-law or talk to my grandmother-in-law. Everyone is there. So phobia cure, practicing that has opened up my fears. Like it has magically shifted that now I have no fear. Whatever I want to say, I just go, barge in his room and just freely with all bindas attitude, I go, ki nahi papa ji, aisa nahi, aisa hi karenge. And he
Love
also
it.
listens to me. Like you say that whatever you radiate your energy, right? They also
Hmm.
accept it. They also receive the same. So
Hmm.
now I operate out of that mind.
Amazing. Super. So you've completely healed your relationship with your in-laws who were not supportive earlier, or maybe they were already, but you were fearful. I don't know
Yes,
what the whole thing was. Maybe you were too scared, right? And you used to be like that good bahu, I would say that, right? But now you've
absolutely.
started opening up and you started really, really having a good, meaningful relationships from what I get. No
Now
more.
I know that what I want and what is good for me first. I put myself first and then whole family.
Super amazing. Thank you so much, my dear, for sharing this. And if you could want to elaborate anything else on your relationship with your son and how's your BP and all, since you mentioned that, all of that, also low health, the
Yes, ma'am.
panic attacks and anxiety and all of that stuff. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Anxiety has gone considerably down. Like it's come down to, you can say, maybe 10-15% out of 100.
Amazing.
It's still there. Like I'm working on it. I know it's going to go completely, but it has gone down considerably. Plus BP, since last 1 year, I've not faced any BP issues now, any
Love
BP attacks, none of it. And also, in terms of my relationship with my son, he himself says that, Mama, आपने जब से रितु मैम की class attend की है ना, you've become so loving towards me.
Love it. Thank you so much, Nuri, for sharing all of this. Thank you for coming up for everyone and sharing your heart out. So, if it's those of them who are watching this video, right? So, if any message you would love to give them or anything which you want to tell them, we have people from our community, people outside also watching it probably. So, anything which you would love to tell them, you may right now.
Of course, ma'am, like this community is the most amazing community that you've started, ma'am. It's a boon, like it's a blessing for us. The biggest blessing of my life, I would say. Seriously, you coming into my life, this amazing, amazing community where I've found such beautiful friends and so supportive community at each and every step of our life. All
Amazing.
the hand holding is there. You are never feeling alone, left out from anyone. You're always encouraged to I mean, this whole community has given a new direction to my life. As you always say that some souls come into your life to teach you some lessons. Now I realize after your teachings that my son came into my life and this relationship was meant to be like this for me to learn to discover my sole purpose in life. Now I want to be an adolescent coach to, understand the problem of kids, what
Love
they go
it.
through.
Amazing. Super duper amazing. I love that, Noori. So thank you so much for sharing this with everyone. Thank you so much for inspiring everyone with your win, because remember, when you win, you actually show hope to everyone else also, that they can also achieve anything that they're wanting in their lives.